Hello, guys, and welcome to AI Insider, your go to destination for all the things about generative AI, artificial intelligence, and large language models. I am thrilled to introduce you to a world of cutting edge technology and innovation. Here at the AI Insider, we're diving into the realm of AI, exploring its endless possibilities, and guiding you through the exciting journey of understanding and mastering this transformating technology. Are you fascinated by how AI can write like humans, create art, and even have conversations? You are not alone. Our channel is dedicated to elaborate the generative AI and large language models, empowering you to harness its potential and be a job ready person in the generative AI field. So, whether you are a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting your journey in the AI Insider is your virtual roommate. We'll break down complex concepts in easy to follow lessons, making AI accessible to everyone. But that's not all. AI Insider is also a vibrant community for learners and AI enthusiasts. We'll encourage you to join the conversations, ask questions, share your thoughts in the comments. Together, we will create an interactive learning experience of AI. Expect video tutorials, in depth explanations, hand on projects, and expert insights. From understanding the fundamentals of AI to building your own AI applications, will got you covered in everything. Okay, so get ready for your journey in the future technology as we explore AI ethics, machine learning algorithms, AI in healthcare, and many more domains. Our content is designed to keep you informed, engaged, and inspired. So, whether you are a curious learner or just a person starting out, the AI Insider is the best place to be. So, hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell and get ready to embark on the journey of AI with the AI Insider. And in our next video, I will tell you that how these large language models are not that much great that they are seen. We'll talk about the problems of the large language models that are there, and we try to get the resolution of them as well. Okay, guys, so we'll meet in our next video. To see you in the next episode. Thank guys.